Let's train. Exercise 1. Complete the sentences on the left with the sentences on the right to make complete sentences. Don't forget to put the video on pause. Do the exercises yourselves and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. I am cold. Do you mind closing the windows? Good. If you're free tomorrow, what about going to the circus? My cousins are at home. There's no use in calling them. Excellent job, you guys. I studied Russian. I don't mind translating this text for you. Now let's move on to exercise 2. Choose the right completion of the sentence. Don't forget to put the video on pause. Do the exercises yourselves and then let's do them together. Are you ready? Let's go. He couldn't bear to eat all that pepper? No, eating all that pepper. She dislikes leaving the house early in the morning. Very good. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!